definitely don't keep one budgie on its own. They need to have, you know, a pair at least. Well, a pair's optimum. 2 budgies. So they can talk to each other. Well, if one does most of the talking. You know, it's not even pecking at it. Normally it would peck at it to shift. Gone. You want to fly as well? Let's see where it's gone. See? You want to be together. It's another thing to have 2 budgies. Out of the cage, they will spend time together. It's flown all the way around the room and come back to where the blue budgie is. So it actually helps to tame having 2 budgies. As long as you got one, the other one will come back to where the other budgie is. Be on your arm or in the cage or on the cage. Normally it would peck at it to shift. Gone. You want to fly as well? Let's see where it's gone. See? You want to be together.